Should I? Yeah, it's okay.
When you see this, you see, I think I attended that class in spirit.
Wow, look at it, very thick. Should I?
Hey, what's
It's strawberry on now. Okay.
So we on the mark, see the way.
Okay. Where is red? Oh, Emil.
Sister Rahma. Ah, make
Yes.
it also no. You just turn it into your cheese cloth.
Okay.
Then you strain this way from it. Where also used to be separated. Like also it doesn't have much weight. Unlike this one. So now if you want to turn it into Greek yogurt, you strain it the same way. So just put it. Mama, if you don't want to, or also Marianne, I can decide to remove some of the weight from it before mixing.
Yes, before mixing.
Though it kunavo. Mama, if you don't want to, you can just you just mix everything together. You add in your sugar, mix everything together, and it's okay. If you now want to put flavor, yes, you can put flavor at this point and mix everything. Then you bottle. You can use a hand mixer for this, just to make it more fluffy. So don't go and drink everything, please. Remain some so that I can use it for your own too.
Okay, for your life culture.
For the one who never drink.
Yes, culture also on the board.
So the mess, as man could run a mess, Mama say. Jack. That's what you